In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix 5GHz Wi-Fi is not showing up in Windows 11 and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to go over here in the search, type here for device manager, and you have to click on the device manager here. And right now, what you need to do is we have to expand this over here and directly navigate to the network adapters. Now from here, you have to find the Wi-Fi adapter. So in my case, this is my Wi-Fi adapter. So I have to select it. Sorry, not this one. I have to check. For me right now, I haven't connected to any Wi-Fi adapter over here. So the reason is I have just connected to the Ethernet. So just wait a moment. I'm connecting a Wi-Fi adapter right now. So guys, once you connect the Wi-Fi adapter, or if after the Wi-Fi adapter is there, you can find this is my Wi-Fi adapter. So I have to right click, and what I need to do is the first one, go to the properties and go to the advanced. Now if the 5G is supported, you'll be able to find the 5G here in my case, but for me in my case, I don't have a 5G supported Wi-Fi adapter. So what happens is you'll be getting all the options. Select the first one that called bandwidth, and you'll be having option here to set it for 5G and do it accordingly. Once you set this up, this is what we have to do. Still, if there is an issue, you have to right click and go to update driver. Click on browse my computer for the drivers. Select let me pick from available list of computer and select one and go for the next and update your driver, and you have to check with it. Still, if you're facing the issue, you just need to go over here, search here for settings. Then what you need to do is click on the settings here. Now from here, we need to navigate to the network and internet, go to advanced network settings. Now from here, go to the network reset, and we have to do a reset now over here. So this is going to ask you to try connecting back with your Wi-Fi password and all those things, and your system will be restarted as well. So once you try this one, most probably that's going to help. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.